for this graph, this function, we need to identify our parent function. Now our parent function is just the square root of x. So we have the square root of x. And we'd like to go ahead and just sketch that real quick. So square root of x. And let's make that straight. There we go. Square root of x looks something like that. All right. Let's start doing some transformations to this. Now, there's a couple ways to go about doing this. When you just have the equation and you want to start manipulating a parent function to graph to get the graph for that equation, the best thing to do is to shift it first. Okay, so this +2 next to the x is the shift that we're going to do here. So let's now do this as we'll color code this. So what we're going to do now, square root of x plus 2. All right, this is a shift left 2 units. Okay, so we're going to come over 1, 2, and let's make that a little bit. All right, so there's our square root of x plus 2. I'm going to go and get rid of my starting graph. All right, then after you do your shift, your horizontal shift, then you're going to go ahead and do whatever number's in front of the x. We've got a negative there, which is a reflection. Okay, so now we are going to do our square root of negative x plus 2. So we've replaced x with a negative x. And replacing x with a negative x, that's our reflection in the y-axis. So now we take this and reflect it in the y-axis. So over 1, 2, this point jumps over here. The intercept will stay the same. Okay, and there's our reflection. Okay, I'm going to get rid of that function. And then finally, we've got this +4 on the outside of the function. So when you take a function and you add 4 to it, okay, it doesn't matter if you put it out in front +4 or after +4. You take the whole function and add 4, that's a vertical shift up 4 units. Okay, so now we'll take this function, we'll move it up 4 units. So we've got 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and we just take this starting point and just move it up to 4 and have our same shape that moves up. Go ahead and get rid of that graph. So that green function there, that's the sketch of our graph.